Hello friends, I'm Ron Brown. Welcome to my shop. Our Easy Cut bowl from a board system has been out since June of 2023, and we have enjoyed a ton of user feedback. We listened carefully and learned a lot about this new wood turning jig. Since this item came out in June of 2023, we've enjoyed a ton of user feedback. We listened carefully and learned a lot about this exciting new wood turning jig. One of our customers, Chris DeVoe of DeVoe's Wood Shop in Alaska, bought our system. Chris is a production woodworker specializing in fancy high-end cutting boards. They're phenomenal works of art, and he may well be the king of cutting boards. Chris released a short video using our Easy Cut bowl from a board system showing how he makes bowls on a production level from his beautiful cutting boards. As I viewed the video, I noticed some modifications he made that made this jig even more fun and much faster to use. Here's Chris's short video.
First time turning a cutting board into a bowl. What do you guys think?
This is our final design and is compatible with all existing Easy Cut bowl from a board systems we've made to date and will be compatible going forward. On bowls 8 inches or smaller, we recommend using only 3 of the 4 slots to make only 3 rings, not 4, as Chris does in his video. Chris's blanks are nearly 12 inches to start. Chris DeVoe did something very clever that I hadn't thought of before. He used the tailstock to hold his blank in place. He used a waist block for the back, and that, instead of cutting the ring off and having to remove the chuck or the faceplate, all you do is back the tailstock off a little bit and you can pull your work out. It's very quick to retrieve. The ring you cut is trapped, so it can't go anywhere, and I just thought that was a very good idea. It was a very good idea. However, the piece that I chose for our backer board was really slick and it didn't hold the blank very well. I'm going to show you how it slipped a few times. It happens to the best of us. Stop. This is our final ring. Our blank was only big enough to do 3 rings, not 4. But you'll notice with the new guide, I didn't have to manipulate the banjo at all. The slots are 45, 50, 55, and 60 degrees. If you're going to do something 8 inches or smaller, I recommend that you only use 3 of the 4 slots, probably the 45, the 55, and the 60. That will result in a much more traditional bowl shape rather than a V. You can get more information on our website, longworthchuck.com or ronbrownsbest.com. I'm Ron Brown. Thanks for watching.